Clinical examination of the cardiovascular system. Korokov sounds phase 1 and to phase 5. In 1905, Korokov suggested the method which is still being used clinically even till today. He described the sounds discernible over the brachial artery just distal to the sphygmomanometer cuff. There are 5 phases of these sounds described by Korokov as following. Phase 1. Sounds of clear tapping quality which appear when the cuff pressure falls to the arterial peak systolic pressure. Phase 2. Sounds become drawn into a murmur. Phase 3. Sounds become clear and increased in intensity. Phase 4. Abrupt muffling of sounds. And phase 5. Complete disappearance of sounds. There has been in the past a disagreement as to whether the point of muffling or disappearance of the sounds should be taken as the systolic pressure. That's the minimum pressure in the artery when the aortic valve is closed and the left ventricle is relaxing. It is now generally accepted that the point of disappearance is a closure to the true diastolic pressure, and furthermore, it is the more reproducible of the two measurements. So the point of disappearance should therefore be recorded as the diastolic pressure. Phase 1 is taken as the systolic blood pressure, and phase 5 is taken as the diastolic blood pressure. Elevated blood pressure reduces life expectancy.